Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Is your Acer Predator laptop running slow? Don't worry, today I'll show you quick and easy tweaks to speed it up instantly. First of all, clean up startup program. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC, which is escape, to open the task manager. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open the task manager. As you can see, the task manager has been opened. Then go to the startup apps. Here, as you can see, this is the startup tab option. Then disable app you don't need, like Spotify or Discord auto launch. This free RAM for gaming and heavy tasks. As you can see, you can disable the unwanted app from here. And another step is to update and optimize drivers. Open GeForce Experience or AMD Adrenalin to update your GPU drivers. And another step is to enable max performance. Go to the Predator Sense. After going here, you can switch performance mode to extreme. You can switch the performance mode to performance or turbo mode. And another step is to clear junk files. Press Windows plus R, then type here clean mgr and simply hit enter. As you can see, it will clean up the drive selection. Select the drive which you want to clean here from here. And another step is to disable background apps, setting apps, turn on Windows game mode for optimized gaming, and you can close Chrome or other heavy apps while gaming. And that's it. With this easy tweaks, your Predator laptop will run faster, cooler and smoother. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. And enable Cool Boost to keep CPU and GPU cool.